Hey everyone, it's Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun unboxing video for you today. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. In this video, we're unboxing the LITE Collection of February 2026, which is the Snow Queen Beads Collection LITE. So if you like cool tones, this one is definitely going to be for you. Without further ado, let's look inside. In case you're new here, Eureka Collections are limited hand-curated bead assortments built around a theme or color story that are made for all skill levels and are full of creative possibilities. Our main collections launch the first Thursday of each month, with smaller LITE collections dropping on Mondays around the middle of the month. So here is the collection. Let me tidy all of these products up and discuss them individually. As always, the first two things that you see after opening a collection is the inspiration photo. In this case, this is this kind of fantasy-inspired Snow Queen model look. I really like this model. She looks so calm and so nice. She's got such cool skin, which is perfect for this sort of shot as the Snow Queen. The palette of this picture is also perfect for a LITE collection. You don't have that many colors, but everything is in such great monochromatic harmony. So I really love this, and all the crystals that you can see in here, just lovely. And then what you get is a list of products, but before you get into it, there is an inspiration paragraph that you get here. You can pause to read. That can kind of give you some extra inspiration in addition to the photo and to the products themselves. And inside here, you get a full list of all of the supplies that you have in the collection. You have the numbers that are the same numbers that you get on the packaging, so that you can identify everything and look up what it is, what's the color, and what's the SKU number that you can enter into the search bar at EurekaCrystalBeads.com and find more of whichever product you like. Okay, for this unboxing, the picture is so pretty, and this Snow Queen here is so pretty that I've decided to put it here to the side instead of on top, so that it's visible all throughout the unboxing. Now let's go down the list. So starting with seed beads, let's look at these 3 packs, this trio of beads that you get like this. So all of these are Miyuki beads, and you get a size 6, size 11, and size 15. And these two, the 6 and the 15, are in the same color, white AB. It's a very pretty color and matches the winter vibe very well. And the 11s are just plain white, so they will match perfectly as well. And for a change, we included a 2-inch tube, because you might remember that Miyukis are typically packed into 2.5-inch tubes, and they are packed by weight. And in this case, that's not true. These are packed just by tubes, so you get a full 2-inch tube of those 11-Os. And when it comes to the 6-Os and the 15-Os, you get an 8-gram bag of these and a 5-gram bag of these, which I would say are perfect amounts for creating some beaded pieces. Next up, you get 2 colors of Miyuki Delicas. This one is White Pearl AB, and this one is Lined Crystal Light Sapphire. This blue is very, very subtle, and the fact that you get 2 of them, 5 grams of each, makes it possible to do more with them, more interesting bezels, more interesting peyote stitch, whatever you like. The next Miyuki bead that you get is a 5-gram bag of pearl white opaque Tila beads. So these are 2 whole beads. You can see both of the holes in here. I really love how this color presents on those Tilas, and I cannot wait to start creating with them. And I think this amount will be enough for a bracelet or a pair of earrings, or maybe even earrings and a pendant. So let me know in the comments, what would you like to see made with them, and what tutorial I should prepare using these Tila beads. And the last type of seed beads that you get is the only Toho in the whole assortment, and these are bugle beads. They are the smallest ones, so 3 millimeters, and they are just silver lined crystal, which is a very good choice for a bugle, and they are going to add so much kind of icy sparkle to everything. Next up, let's talk Czech beads, and you get 2 sizes of fire polish beads in the same color. This is light sapphire in 4 millimeters and in 6 millimeters. You get 50 of the 4 millimeter ones and 25 of the 6 millimeter ones. I really like the fact that they're in the same color, and I think they match very well with those Delica beads, for example, don't they? Next up, you get 3 millimeter round drag beads on quite a long strand of 100 of them, and they are in the color Little Boy Blue, metallic Little Boy Blue. Not sure if I like the name, but in the very same color, you get crescent beads. Let me get them out of the tube. So 1, there's a lot of them, and 2, it's such a pretty color. As you can see, the coating can be a little bit delicate, so you have to make sure not to scratch it with your needle as you go. But otherwise, I also love that these are in the same color. I think these make a wonderful metallic blue accent in this entire crystal and white collection. Last but not least, in the Czech beads section, you get a strand of vertically drilled teardrops, and they are in luster transparent blue. Always useful when you want to add a dangle, and the color is a little bit less vibrant, less saturated, more icy than the other blues in the collection, which is very, very nice. Next up, we have crystals, and you may notice that there are no pearls in this collection. Instead, we decided to include 2 sets of Chinese faceted rondelle beads. There's over 100 pieces on each of these strands. So one of these is Montana Blue AB, of course. This is another crystal or a bead with this more muted icy blue color. And then this other strand is metallic silver. And I love the fact that you get 2 colors, so I cannot wait to use them both in the same design, or maybe create a design with 2 different color versions. Why not? And finally, crystal stones. And you get this small set of stones. You get 2 cushion stones. They are 12 millimeters. They are in vitriol blue, and they match so well with the collection. They add this violet flare to it a little bit. Then you get a 13 by 18 millimeter light sapphire oval stone. All of those stones are Krakovski, of course, by the way. And then I think the absolute star, not only of this set, but also of the entire collection, are these 6 8mm chaton stones, because they are something new. We didn't carry them before. They are called mythic chatons. That's because they have this very unique back with those kind of ridges that in the front make it seem like there are like hundreds of facets. The effect is so icy and so frosty that we simply had to include this in this collection, and I think this is the absolute highlight. This and maybe the 2 colors of rondelles and maybe the oval, but yeah, those chatons are definitely the highlight. And the last category on the product list are findings, and you get 3 in the same color. Let me get them out of their bags. Alright, so you get 1 pair of absolutely gorgeous rhinestone encrusted ear wires. They are very, very sturdy. That pin is quite stiff and thick, thicker than usual. And you will probably get these side loops partially opened, so make sure to close them before you include these in your beadwork. Look how gorgeous they are. There are no crystals like over here, but this is textured, so it kind of looks like it was encrusted in here as well, doesn't it? In addition to that, you get 2 sets of clasps. You get a small magnetic clasp like this one. I think this will be perfect for a bracelet, especially a delicate and dainty one. And then you get this one, which I think will work best for a necklace, but for a bracelet, it's gonna be fine as well, I guess. But what I'm thinking of is that if you put this clasp, attach it over here to your beadwork, then what is up with this loop that you have here? Well, I think you can add a strand of beads in here or like a charm. And in this way, you're gonna get a beautiful, elegant necklace that has front and the back, because there's going to be like a charm or a strand of beads or a crystal hanging down your neck and your back, which is going to look lovely. As you can see, this one is also rhinestone encrusted, simply beautiful, and they are all in white gold plating. And that's the Snow Queen collection. LITE, I hope you love it as much as I do. When it comes to highlights, for me, this is definitely going to be these mythic chatons. I also am looking forward to using these Tila beads, and I really love the Czech bead selection and these 2 strands of Chinese faceted rondelle crystals, so this is going to be a real treat for me. This collection should be available at eurekacrystalbeads.com, as well as all of the individual products. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye!